Alright guys, this was just a ride along. This wasn't all our jobs today. You may not could hear real well in the last clip what was going on, but what had happened, a roller got stuck and actually was laying at the bottom of the dryer. This is where it was supposed to go. I replaced the roller and the dryer went back working successfully. You can get these real cheap off Amazon. The picture here was a clogged drain. We had a clogged drain issue. It was leaking all out in the floor. Alright guys, so we're on a call and the tenant was saying that there was water coming out the floor. They didn't know if it was from the dishwasher or from the refrigerator. So I got the dishwasher running, but this is what I found. That we got ice built up right here. You may not can see it real good, but there's a thick sheet right here. I looked at the drain doesn't look clogged like far as normally we see a ice build up there. But I know that that's what the case is, so we're going to clog this drain. There she is. My next call was actually two refrigerators at the same condo. They had a buildup of ice and also the drain was clogged. Alright guys, this has been a defrost drain kind of day. This will be the second one. We also got another one we're going to do, but it's got a clog. It's dripping down here. We're going to make sure that everything is fine with it, that there's no tears, but we're fixing to pull this apart, get the steamer going, and unclog this drain. This one pulls forward, like so. Yeah, she's froze up here. I don't know if you can see this, but we want to make sure that this tube's cleaned out. Shut up. We know you open. Yeah. I hear you beeping. Sure that drain's back in there. Reason why this is leaking is because ice got built up behind here. And when it would go into defrost, it would leak out the top there. It would leak out the top of here. The next call was on a dishwasher. The customer said that the soap dispenser wasn't opening. As you can see, the solenoid had heated up, caught on fire, melted, as you can see here in the picture. Here I was on the famous LG. The compressor was weak. It's not cooling properly, so there'll have to be a new compressor cut out and a new one put in, but I won't be performing that. So wouldn't you know, the last call of the day, opened up the door, here come the little man syndrome doggy come out and bit me right on the shin. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you're enjoying the information that I'm putting out there. If you felt like you've learned something today and would like to contribute to my channel, I put a PayPal button at the top right hand corner of my page. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.